Malalindamis doesn't want celebs to be the role models of children. Malalindamis hits back at parents expecting celebs to be role models for their children. You don't give your kids enough to look up to, then you come on the net and want to police people's behavior so they can do the job for you. Parents who expect celebrities to set a good example for their children should think again, as influencer Malalindamis has made it clear she's not here for any of that and definitely won't make it on that list. While a lot of young people look up to famous people and sometimes copy their lifestyles, the influencer has hit back at parents who put unnecessary pressure on celebs, forgetting who needed to take full accountability for their children's behavior. Malali's gutful revelation comes after a young Twitter exchange with a tweet who criticized her for tweeting that she believed in a man more than she believed in herself. With the tweet calling out Malali for being a bad role model to the younger generation, the YouTube sensation hit back, saying, "Kafangela," simply telling the tweet to go to work, as she felt her initial tweet was nothing but her being sarcastic. As her clapback sparked a conversation about why parents expect a lot from celebs, Malali then fired another shot, claiming parents who do that don't give their children enough to look up to. Then you come on the internet and police people's behavior so they can do your job for you, Malali said, while reiterating that people who get pressed over her tweets were nothing but dumb.
Yeah.